dad and I partnered up and we both went in on a new Ryobi pressure washer. Now here's the thing. When you're using your pressure washer, how many times do you actually need to use it a year? So the great thing is you can go in with someone, make the purchase together, share the appliance, and then you got yourself a great deal. And this is an even better deal because this Ryobi one I'm about to show you kicks ass. We've had our old Husky pressure washer for about 10 years now. Yeah, it served its purpose, but there are a couple things on it that we were very frustrated with. So I'm excited to dive into the Ryobi pressure washer with you today to share with you what we love. So what's wrong with this pressure washer, you ask? Well, let me tell you. Number one, the float was stuck. So this thing never liked to start. Number two, the soap siphon never worked. Just throw it out the window. Number three, the fuel cut off over here. It didn't ever work, so the fuel would just leak out. And number four, perhaps the most important reason why you buy a pressure washer, 2600 PSI. I'm not buying it. My thumb on the top of a garden hose spraying down my walkway did a better job than this Husky. So let's dive into the new Ryobi that we purchased and share with you all of the pros that we have found with this purchase. Don't let the size of this box fool you in any way. This Ryobi pressure washer is a beast. Once we open it up, this thing's so easy to put together, you're gonna wanna go out and purchase it right now. Now, when I say this thing is easy to put together, it really was as simple as taking this out of the box and putting the handlebar in place. How easy was that? Ryobi makes it so simple for you. The handlebar is clicked in place. The only other thing I had to do was attach this plastic piece right here. Let's dive into the key features of this Ryobi pressure washer and why we love it so much. First things first, on our last pressure washer, my dad had to add a fuel stop. This one has an integrated fuel stop already built into the system. So when it's sitting for a long time, you don't have to worry about gas, leaking out of it. Number two, this thing starts up so quickly. Our other one we struggled with, 2 pulls on this thing and it starts up right away. So that's easy. Number three, this gas tank right here. They say they don't make them like they used to, and that's a good thing because this gas tank is made of metal, which means it's gonna last you much longer. And our old pressure washer only held a half gallon of gas. This one holds a full gallon. And lastly, the most important part, this thing comes in at 2900 PSI. Like I said, it's a beast. Let's go show you what this thing can do. Look at this! The results are great. Now this is a home task that I can get down with. This is enjoyable to me. It's so satisfying taking it from this right here to this finished product right here. And the best part is we didn't use any chemicals. So, if we had used chemicals, it'll probably last longer. But for right now, just showing you what this thing can do, it's amazing. It was easy to start on a nice hot day. This is the task you want to be doing. If you have a patio, this is the attachment for you. You can purchase it separately from this unit. It's about $60, so it's a surface cleaner. You attach it to the wand right here, and right now we're on our basketball court, and we want to finish this thing. We want to paint it, so we're going to pressure wash it, make it look really nice, so we can get it set for paint. You all know I'm a huge Ryobi fan. This pressure washer exceeds my expectations. It's reasonably priced, easy to use in store when not in use, and it gets me excited to pressure wash my house. That's all you can really ask for in a tool, and we're excited to endorse this one.